In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add camera movement to your video. We're going to use CapCut, and you can follow along on either the web version or the mobile desktop app. Open CapCut and head to the main workspace so you're ready to start a new project. If you haven't used it before, don't worry. This process is beginner-friendly and quick. Start by creating a new project. When the canvas options appear, choose the 9:16 aspect ratio. That's the vertical format commonly used for TikTok, Reels, and Shorts. Picking this now saves you from awkward cropping later. If your original footage is horizontal, you'll see space above and below. You can adjust the framing once the clip is on the timeline so your subject stays centered. Next, add your video to the project. Import your clip, then drag it onto the timeline. Once it's there, make sure the clip is selected so any changes you make apply directly to it. If your footage is longer than you need, you can trim the ends now for a tighter edit. Keeping only the essential parts will make the movement effect feel more intentional. Now it's time for the fun part. Click on Effects. In CapCut, effects usually live in a panel on the left or bottom depending on your device, and you'll notice there are categories like video effects and filters. We're going to stick with video effects so the movement sits on top of your footage rather than changing color or style. In the effects library, use the search bar and type Shake. You'll see a handful of options with slightly different looks. Some are subtle handheld vibes, others are more energetic. Hover or tap to preview how each one feels with your footage. Think about the mood of your edit. Subtle for cinematic storytelling, stronger shakes for high-energy beats or action moments. Apply the effect to your video by dragging it onto the timeline above your clip, or by clicking Apply while your clip is selected. You should see a colored bar for the effect. Stretch it so it covers exactly the portion of the clip you want to animate. With the effect selected, open its settings to fine-tune it. Dial back the intensity for a natural handheld feel, adjust speed to match your edit's rhythm, and keep the motion smooth enough that it enhances the story without distracting from it. If your clip includes dialogue or text, consider softening the shake during those moments so everything stays readable. And that's it. You've added dynamic camera movement in CapCut using a simple shake effect, keeping your video engaging and polished.